Why can birds perch on high-voltage power lines without getting electrocuted? In this video, we explore the physics behind this phenomenon. Power lines carry thousands of volts, enough to be fatal. Yet, small birds land on them daily, completely unharmed. Let's look at the science of why this happened. To understand this, we must shift our perspective. Electricity isn't a poison you catch. It is a force that requires a difference in voltage and a path to flow through. The first rule: because a bird is suspended in the air and not touching the ground, it doesn't create a complete circuit for electricity to flow. Rule 2. Birds touch only one wire at a time. Both feet share the same voltage, meaning there is no difference in potential to push electricity through their bodies. However, this immunity is conditional. If a bird bridges a gap between two different electrical states, it instantly completes a circuit, which can be fatal. Larger birds, like eagles, can face danger if their wingspan is wide enough to touch two different wires simultaneously, creating a massive, lethal voltage difference. Another danger occurs if a bird touches a live line while also making contact with a grounded object, like a metal pole, creating a direct path to the earth. This is why humans are at such high risk near power lines. Unlike birds, humans are almost always naturally grounded, providing an easy path for electricity to flow. As this table shows, safety is determined by the presence of a voltage difference and a path to the ground. If either condition is met, the result is dangerous. Ultimately, safety on a power line is a matter of spatial positioning, not biological magic. If you don't provide electricity with a path, it will leave you alone,